Many people have tired for Christianity. Some of them, not all of them, not that they hate Jesus Christ or they hate God. Some of them say that I will no longer go to church again. They will be having double mind in Christianity. That is what is happening in Christendom today. Many people that you are seeing now that say that they are no longer a Christian. Some of them, if you check why they said they no longer a Christian, one pastor or one prophet or one bishop don't scam them. Not one pastor, not two pastors. Many of them don't meet many pastors, and all the pastors they met collected money, eat their money. They say, oh no, I'm no longer a Christian anymore. That is what the Bible says, that iniquity shall abound the earth and love of many shall wax cold. Iniquity inside the church. As I said before, show me in the Bible where Jesus collect money from people to pray for them. Show me, you will not see it. Even the disciples of Jesus, they not collect money from anybody to pray for them. Even when Jesus died, the disciples do not collect money from people to pray for them. But in this generation, many people use Christianity as business, scamming people. You will pay me money before I pray for you. You will pay me money before we come in your compound and pray for you. This is not Christianity. Go to TikTok on social media. Go to TikTok. You will see prophetess and prophet. They will come online telling you, send me a big gift. If you send me gift, I'll prophesy to you. Send me coins. Send me coins. They will asking people for money to prophesy to them on TikTok. Go to TikTok. You will see what I'm telling you. This is not what Jesus taught us. Christianity has turned into business. Many pastors, general overseer, they are using Christianity as business. But the founder of Christendom did not taught us this. The founder of Christianity, who is Jesus Christ of Nazareth, do not even do this kind of thing. These Christians, pastors, reverend fathers, bishops of this generation are doing.